Drinking rosemary tea regularly is associated with various health benefits, as rosemary is recognized as a potent herb with medicinal properties. This aromatic plant, belonging to the mint family, has been utilized since ancient Roman times for its therapeutic qualities. Over the centuries, it has been employed as a remedy for headaches, a means to enhance memory and concentration, and a solution for relieving gas and constipation. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to channel for all things wellness and lifestyle. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or stumbling upon healthy habits for the first time, I invite you to join me on this journey. Watch the entire video, and let's embark on a path towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. Recent studies have contributed to the surge in rosemary's popularity, reinforcing its reputation as a super spice with diverse health applications. This video delves into the scientific basis behind rosemary's medicinal properties, exploring its efficacy in treating conditions ranging from mild to severe. The discussion covers digestive issues and highlights the latest findings on rosemary's potential in addressing neurodegenerative diseases. Rosemary is not only appreciated for its culinary uses, with its fresh herbal scent and distinctive aroma, but also for its valuable medicinal contributions. Rich in active compounds, including anti-inflammatory agents and phenolic compounds with potent antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, rosemary stands out for its diverse health benefits. The video concludes with practical tips and recipes for incorporating more rosemary into one's diet. If you harvest rosemary directly from the field, make sure to thoroughly clean and wash it before use. Alternatively, you can buy it from herbal stores. Explore now 10 compelling reasons why incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine is beneficial. Blood sugar regulation. Rosemary offers particular advantages for individuals dealing with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Its positive impact on glucose levels lies in its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, making the insulin produced by the pancreas more effective. This, in turn, facilitates the absorption of glucose by muscle cells. Improve blood circulation. Rosemary contributes to better circulation by dilating blood vessels, leading to reduced blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure is a recognized risk factor for heart and brain complications. The dilation of blood vessels not only aids in lowering blood pressure but also enhances microcirculation, ensuring improved oxygen delivery to tissues and efficient removal of waste products from metabolism. Despite these benefits, it's essential to exercise caution, as excessive consumption of rosemary tea or its other forms could result in side effects, which will be discussed later. If you have existing medical conditions, especially multiple ailments, or if you're taking medications, it is essential to consult with a doctor before incorporating rosemary as a supplement. The same precaution applies when considering other herbal supplements or medicinal plants. Moving on to its digestive benefits, rosemary is well known for its historical use in promoting intestinal health. It has been traditionally employed to address various digestive issues, such as reducing gas, alleviating bloating, facilitating bowel movements, and relieving abdominal pains, cramps, and stomach aches. Rosemary's antispasmodic qualities play a role in relaxing the smooth muscles of the digestive tract, minimizing potential discomfort. This not only alleviates symptoms but also improves digestion. Specifically, rosemary stimulates bile secretion by the gallbladder, aiding in the digestion of fats and optimizing the overall digestive process. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it particularly useful for individuals with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel diseases, including Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Additionally, rosemary contributes to maintaining a balance within the intestinal microbiota, supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria crucial for gut health. Its prebiotic properties nourish these good bacteria, fostering a healthy gut environment. Beyond this, rosemary's antimicrobial attributes target and inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. In the realm of brain health, rosemary is gaining recognition from scientists for its potential benefits. One key component, carnosic acid, has been identified for its role in combating brain damage caused by free radicals. Rosemary also aids in breaking down acetylcholine, a chemical in the brain, optimizing nerve cell communication and consequently improving memory and concentration. Its benefits extend beyond cognition. Rosemary is known for its ability to enhance mood and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and fatigue. Many of these positive properties have been substantiated through various studies. Interestingly, in ancient Greece, more than 500 years before Christ, students were known to use rosemary for its remarkable effects on memory and concentration. A part of rosemary's benefits for the brain can be credited to the improved circulation discussed earlier. This enhanced circulation not only has the potential to reduce brain damage following a stroke, whether caused by a hemorrhage or an obstruction due to a clot, but its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects also possess neuroprotective properties. These properties are particularly valuable in preventing neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's, other forms of dementia, and even Parkinson's. Rosemary possesses significant anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for individuals dealing with joint pain associated with inflammation, such as arthritis, osteoarthritis, or muscle pains. These advantages can be obtained by both including rosemary in daily cooking and consuming it as rosemary tea. Moreover, research indicates that the application of rosemary essential oils directly to affected areas can effectively reduce pain. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, rosemary plays a role in combating stress. Drinking a cup of rosemary tea daily can be particularly advantageous during periods of heightened stress or anxiety. Additionally, it contributes to improving sleep quality, addressing insomnia related to stress. Furthermore, rosemary is known to strengthen the immune system. Its antimicrobial properties, combined with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, make it proficient in inhibiting the growth of viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Historically, these properties have even led to its use as a natural preservative, extending the shelf life of foods. Rosemary proves beneficial for liver health by assisting in the detoxification of a fatty liver. It minimizes the accumulation of dietary fat within the organ, offering advantages not only for individuals with fatty liver conditions but also by providing a protective shield against cell damage or inflammation triggered by medications or toxic substances. If you are dealing with liver issues, considering the incorporation of rosemary, whether as a seasoning or through rosemary tea, could be a prudent step. Moreover, rosemary extends multiple benefits to skin and hair health. It effectively combats premature aging, promotes wound healing, and provides relief from conditions such as seborrheic dermatitis, acne, psoriasis, and alopecia areata, characterized by hair loss and patches. The efficacy of rosemary in these areas is supported by evidence. Rosemary offers significant benefits for eye health by potentially combating signs of aging, slowing the progression of conditions such as cataracts, opacity of the eye's lens, and age-related macular degeneration. The compounds in rosemary have been identified not only to reduce the risk of these conditions but also to significantly slow down their progression. The health benefits of rosemary can be attributed to polyphenols, including carnosol, rosmarinic acid, and caffeic acid, known for their powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Additionally, flavonoids like apenine and luteolin interact with these substances, contributing to rosemary's health benefits. It's important to note that while much of the research has been conducted in laboratory settings with test tubes and animals, ongoing studies are gradually verifying these benefits through human trials. Rosemary can be used in various ways, such as infusion, similar to tea, where rosemary leaves are steeped in hot water. Decoction, a different method, involves simmering rosemary, particularly the tougher parts like stems, in water to extract deeper flavors and compounds. Culinary uses include rosemary as a favorite ingredient in cooking, available in powdered form in various extracts. It serves as a protective agent against toxins formed in food during high-temperature cooking, such as grilling or frying. Integrating rosemary into the cooking process, especially by marinating meat before cooking, can reduce toxic elements by up to 90%. Integrating rosemary into the cooking process is a commendable approach for individuals seeking to moderate their consumption of overcooked meat or fish. Additionally, for those desiring a more concentrated intake, rosemary supplements or capsules are commercially available, offering a convenient option without the need for preparation. Rosemary can also be utilized in tinctures and topical applications. Rosemary tincture, a liquid extract often combined with alcohol, serves medicinal purposes by providing a concentrated dose of rosemary's beneficial properties. When mixed with a base oil, rosemary essential oils can be applied directly to the skin, offering a range of benefits and often found in cosmetic products, including ointments and creams. In aromatherapy, rosemary's aromatic essence provides relief from stress and promotes relaxation when diffused, added to baths, or used in massages. Simple methods, such as placing rosemary sprigs in water, act as a natural air freshener, filling the surroundings with a delightful aroma. Rosemary has also found its way into gardening for decorative purposes and has been used as a disinfectant. Various preparations for rosemary tea include infusion and decoction. Infusion involves steeping rosemary leaves in hot water, while decoction, which results in a stronger flavor, requires simmering rosemary leaves in water. Rosemary tea can be enjoyed hot or cold, and optional sweeteners like sugar, honey, or maple syrup can be added based on personal preference. As with any consumable product, there is potential for allergic reactions to rosemary, whether consumed orally or applied topically. It should not be applied directly to open wounds or burns. Excessive consumption of rosemary, more than 2 cups of tea or infusion daily, may lead to digestive problems such as bloating, abdominal pain, nausea, or vomiting. While rosemary offers various health benefits, responsible consumption is essential, and moderation is key. Individuals with symptomatic gallstones, bleeding disorders, or those on specific medications should consult healthcare professionals before using rosemary. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals are advised to avoid rosemary due to limited data on its effects. Rosemary might interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and antihypertensive drugs, potentially amplifying their effects. It's crucial to exercise caution and consult with healthcare professionals regarding potential interactions. Before we conclude today's video, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this journey towards better health and wellness. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as a part of our Healthy Habits community. If you found this video valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with friends and family who might benefit from it. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. If you value the knowledge and insights we provide and would like to support our channel in a meaningful way, please consider making a donation. Your contribution, no matter how big or small, helps us continue our work, improve our content, and reach even more people. It's your support that keeps the wheels turning and motivates us to keep creating content that matters.